So for those who didn't know, I bought an $800 Civic and it's an absolute pig. There isn't a single bolt that's really done up properly. There's just bits and pieces just like hanging loose everywhere. Where'd this come from? Oh, I must have left it from before.
There's a map sensor. What the fuck? Is it missing?
Yeah.
You cut it off.
I don't know who cut it off.
Map to delete. Car doesn't run, what the fuck?
2 years.
Oh, nice.
Oh, hang on.
That's clean. Oh, aftermarket cam gears.
Really?
Set to neutral, because nobody ever knows how to set them.
It's been on for a long time. Look how sun damaged it is.
Fucked.
As soon as you get up the side of it to the top, just...
Oh. You got some bad stuff?
Holy fuck! Yeah, you need some trailing arm bushes.
What the fuck?
What? What?
Hold on. What the fuck?
It's not secure properly, is it?
Oh no. It'll get there. Just add some water to it.
Get the hammer.
Get some soil, it'll grow.
Get the hammer and knock that in.
One day when I grow up, I'd like to be a long bolt.
So we have left to go to MCA to go and get some bump stops. I need 2 bump stops, don't I?
Yeah, unless you want to refresh all of them.
No. The other 2 are fine. It's just one of them's like put in the wrong side.
Oh.
I don't want to be loaded. Whoever put these together, absolute joke.
This is Skunk 2 stuff.
Oh,
they ship
shit!
really well.
I got it!
I might use that tonight for my own personal.
Fill it with some Vaseline. Or...
This is what you call a money shift at 140 k's an hour.
Oh, it's this motor! Oh, I'm so excited!
Ready? Ready?
Holy shit! He turned his pistons to soup! This looks... That looks like what Jack put his finger in the top of that VG.
Kill you.
Oh! Ah!
This.
Oh yeah, that's mint.
There's a valve, like one of the valves is floating around in there. If you find it, you get a prize.
I get a little fishing hook with a magnet on it.
Oh, that's so fucked. What'd they say? The ECU read 14,500 RPM. 16. It could be 16. The myth, I was going to say, the number goes up every time. Good.
Wait.
I'm waiting.
I left a plug. No, you're right. Just stay there. Now I'll go.
Well, you meant... Hey, genius, were you meant to plug in the ECU?
Oh, that's your job. You were last in there.
Fuck's sake.
You were last in there.
ECU.
You fucking forgot to plug it in. 3, 2, 1. Nothing!
Start your cunt.
Well, it fires, so something's not keeping it running.
Unplug the map sensor.
Yeah, unplug the map sensor.
Oh yeah.
Go for it.
Woo! What'd you do to the map sensor, Jack?
I don't know.
Why does it start without the map sensor?
Sounds good at least.
What is wrong with this car? There's nothing wrong with it.
At least the...
They weren't bridging together when we started it. I made sure they were far apart so they didn't.
Can we just insulate them anyway?
Well, no, because they're wrong. They obviously don't work. They obviously don't fucking work. It's really hard because you're always going off American pinouts.
I'm guessing red is power.
Yes.
Well, it's not going to the power. You have
Right,
a wiring diagram on the plug.
That's literally... okay.
So it's really hard to like film and explain what's going on, so here's a little bit of a quick update. We couldn't find anything to hold this down, so we just sort of like used a zip tie. It does the job, I guess. And instead of fixing the starter motor, or the starter motor wiring, we just gave it a start button.
Several months later.
Okay, so we're back at Macca's car and Kyle has wired a... what is it? An alarm horn.
Yeah, so we ripped the alarm out of Brendan's car because he no longer needs it or wants it. And I just wired it up to the driver's side brake light, so when he pushes on the brakes, it's going to give him a nice scare.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Really? Do you know, I was just like, oh look, my Civic has an alarm system. That's gonna come out.
And then just...
Yeah, it's good.
This exhaust is so fucking big. It's like...
This comes to about here at the moment currently, so...
Yep, so it meets up here at the headers.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
And then...
It's like the worst Bozazoku style fucking...
oh, we just...
No, I can't believe they gave this to us and went, yeah, this is the one for the car.
Is it even a cat though?
That would be an affirmative no. Well, there's grass in it.
My Macca, your cat doesn't work.
Alright, quickly, let's put this over. Yeah, that's perfect. Just leave it like that.
Oh, fucking coming through.
Don't send it with momentum.
Yeah.
Oh, that was close.
Just let it happen.
Thank you.
Yeah, just now it looks like the exhaust hanger broke.
It's the same amount, not quite.
Okay, well, the shit Vic is finally here. Yeah, so for once, I guess I'm gonna say it, but I'm gonna say it in a way of, if you actually like what we do and support us, can you at least, you know, go and tell people, be really, you know, push them, just force them to watch our fucking videos. But yeah, if you do actually like what we do, can you please support us and like share it? I mean, you could buy stuff, that would be great, but you know, also just share it, tell people that we exist. That would be great.
Check out our forum as well.
Oh yeah, we have a forum. I haven't been on there in a day, but I do catch up eventually.
Yeah.
Yep.